Hello everyone, here is my precious Daphne, and she is like a candy doll. She's so cute. I gave her some bangs and I put in some purple hair. Purple here, and these purple hairs are from Violet. Sort of like a hair donor, but I harvested the hair from her. So, and here she is in a very cute little room in my dollhouse. So there we have Daphne looking all cute in all pastel colors and two little pigtails. I cannot completely seem to straighten away the crimps, but most of it is straightened out, and I'm glad the same thing happened to her bangs. And here she's got brown eyes. These eyes belong to Coco. Yeah, I am just so happy with the result of this doll. I think y'all have seen enough of my reroot processes and everything. So in this video, I'm just going to be talking about her and maybe restyling her with a curling iron, giving her some nice curls to her hair. So yeah, I haven't exactly arranged this doll room, but here, as you can see, she'll show you that there is a light down here. Can't really see a Sumiko Gurashi light, a keyboard for her to play some music. She's got these little drawers behind her. And now here she is in curly hair with her bangs even flatter because she has had some time in a sock over her head. Yeah, so it really flattened the bangs down. Just in case you're wondering, this is how I store my dolls in the box with the beanie on her head if she has got bangs, and then I twist the rest of the hair to kind of keep the curls in place, and then I just store them in the box. And then when I take them out, the bangs will be very nice and flat, and then her curls will be very fresh and bouncy. And this is her Sanrio outfit, which I don't think is really working out very well, so I guess she's got to have a little bit of a change. So right now I put her in a Lola Bunny outfit, and not really working either. This is kind of like a Barbie outfit. I guess the colors are okay together. I'm trying to go for the whole pastel thing, but it's a bad fit for her. Maybe she needs to go back to her original outfit. So here she is back in the outfit I put her to at first. This is like her candy store outfit. Now she's with some curls. As you can see, I have rerooted in these purple highlights just at the front of her face. So she's got blocks here, one whole blob, and right on the top there is the blocks as well. So it's chunky purple highlights, and there is nothing much behind because this is more like face framing highlights to just make her look different, and you're just not going to be viewing the doll from the front all the time, because if I put some highlights behind, it's not going to make much of a difference. And these are the curls I gave her. And these are the bangs I gave her. I've done a lot of reroot videos with these kind of bangs. High bangs, very much like Kim from series 5. So very high bangs and goes all the way up. And then I kind of use a boil wash method to put this down, but I still want the lashes to be intact. So I do paste some tape here. The reason I redo the bangs like that with rerooting is so that when you pull the hair back, it doesn't have a bald patch down there. There is literally a attached line down here that joins in a Y shape all the way to the back. So I'm gonna put her hair in pigtails for you to see. So here she is with two curly pigtails in her hair. Isn't she very, very cute? She's just so adorable, and I really like her very much. I'm so happy. So this is what I mean when I say that there is a little bit of like a part line here. I do actually root in hair into the same hole and split them down the middle. So down here you can see this is a green chunk together with a purple chunk, and you know, purple and green kind of give that blocking effect. Yeah, but when you pull back her hair, if you've done this reroot, you will not see any holes in the back of her. Actually, I think she's really cute like that. Just love her so much. Yeah, and with curling of their hair, I just realized recently you could use this it's a 9mm curling iron, and I just take her hair in sections and, you know, turn it upwards. Even with her bangs, I find this extremely useful. I grab it and turn it down slightly, and then she has that little curve down here, and it's really helped with all of the dolls that I have that have bangs. They're so cute, and she's got a slight wave. But see, the thing is, I did not attach a whole part line down here to give her this pigtails, because I am not really into having my dolls with hairstyles that are forever being, you know, tied up. I prefer them to have hair open, and when I want to tie it up, I can tie it up. So even the dolls that have hair attached behind, I would usually remove that hair so that it can be nicely open. So if you want to check out how I do my reroots, most of my videos will show that in detail. I use a tagging gun, kind of like let me get one tagging gun out here. This is the tagging gun I use, and it's very useful for, oh, there's a glimpse of another doll room, but this doll room is just like a waiting room. Yeah, I have not decorated it as nice as this, but this tagging gun is very useful for rooting the doll's hair. And again, you can check out my other videos for details on how to reroot using a tagging gun. It also seems like right now I'm having all these pastel girls. I think I can put them together, like they can say welcome to my candy store together. It will be so freaking cute. I just think that yeah, Rainbow High, candy store, just very cute pastel colors with highlights, which, you know, the dolls don't really have like highlights like that. Maybe Violet has highlights. And again, I've harvested all these hair from other dolls, so my dolls share their hair. At least the doubles, they share each other's hair, which is like a little bit funny, but I guess I'll get a video to show you how to get the doll hair for free. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you like the styling of Daphne down here. So here they both are in pigtails and in pastel colored hair, and a full outfit, I guess. I'm sure you can tell which, you know, outfit these are. This is, oh gosh, I cannot remember who wears this outfit. One of the rock stars, and then this is from the fashion closet. So yep, if you do these looks, please tag me on Instagram or something, like, and let me see the picture that you've got. If not, I hope that you've enjoyed my custom, you know, creations, and I hope you give me a follow and I guess a subscribe and a like, and leave some lovely comments below, and let me know what other dresses I can dress them in to make them look a little bit more cohesive. Because like most of my friends who come over, they tell me all your dolls have great hair, smooth hair, perfect hair, but then they don't look very nice in their outfits. So I guess this was my try at making a cohesive outfit. So hope to have your support. Thank you very much.